counting on me. I got my sister counting on me. I got my son and my daughter counting on me. I got a world that gets up every morning and watches me.
Look, I hustle, cause I need food on my plate, and my mama need a high. And that high's gon' need a lake. It ain't up for debate. If you real, you relate.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Everything gonna be alright this morning.
K to the second letter. If this one for the money, two for the show, three to get the honeys, you're forsaking your soul. With my enemy's enemy is divinity, ending the enmity in between God and me. I'm good to go. Is it well with your soul? Cause we know life's hard, pain easy to remember. Happiness don't leave a scar. Tears fall from my eyes, cover lies from his life. You're conscious. Suffer is kind. We ain't gotta act like we got it together. No, never. But homie, I know the one who can come get us. Look at us. Step when we're not pledging, but we pledge to rent when it gets hectic. Even when it gets hectic, we bless it, baby. Our blessings are definite. Homie, I can lose it all, but that all's really false. Cause I ain't lose nothing if I still got God. That's why I tell my dogs, open what you can't lose. Life is hard for us all, but we found to turn to. He turns our morning to morning, we know that.
Everything gonna be alright. Everything gonna be alright. Everything gonna be alright. Everything gonna be alright.
Yeah, even when they write us off,
Church full of hypocrites.
yeah, you should feel right at home. Like you never been a hypocrite. Why you think we all here? We need Jesus to deal with this. See that morning after kills, like the morning after pill. We all fall, that's why I'm in the morning after him. He's been making me new since the moment I began. There is pleasure in his presence, any moment I can dance. There's trouble in the family, my homies on his second strike. And Frankie's life fell apart the week that he accepted Christ. I tell my little dudes, succeeding is up to you. But it's hard when they got 12 years of whack schools. Ooh, how do we deal with this mess? Feel abandoned, a dance of distress. While the world turns and overcame a numbness of hope. The same with Jesus' promises that this world has been overcame. Now we wait, it may not be the day, but
Everything gonna be alright. Everything gonna be alright. Everything gonna be alright. Everything gonna be alright.
everything gon' be alright. Even though I struggle, it may very well be alright. And you ain't gotta go to Africa to see dark nights, but it won't be dark for long. One day it'll be alright. Call us fake, call us arrogant, and they call us never. But we just know we hail from the bottom of the barrel. I might be in the Caribbean, top down in the Camaro, but if I ain't half jack, my eyes still be on the sparrow.
Everything gon' be alright. Everything gon' be alright. Everything gon' be alright. Everything gon' be alright.
Get up in my zone. It's time to get my game face on.